Ever wondered why organic gardening has been gathering so much attention? Well, it's because chemical-based gardening is not just harmful to the environment, but also to our health. Yes, you heard it right. Those chemical fertilizers and pesticides not only destroy the soil's natural fertility, but can also contaminate our food. So how about we dive into the world of organic gardening? Now, how does one start an organic garden? It might sound like a daunting task, but fear not, as it's just a matter of following a few simple steps. Step 1. Start by selecting the right location for your garden. Look for a spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Remember, plants need sunlight to grow. Step 2. Test the soil. A healthy soil is the foundation of an organic garden. You'll want to know the pH level and nutrient content of your soil. You can do this by getting a soil testing kit from a local garden center or online. Step 3. Prepare the soil. Based on the soil test results, enrich the soil with organic matter. Compost, decomposed leaves, or well-rotted manure can do wonders for your soil. Step 4. Choose the right plants. Opt for plants that are naturally resistant to pests and diseases. Also, consider the climate and soil type in your area. Step 5. Plant in beds or containers. Raised beds are great for growing small plots of veggies and flowers. They prevent soil compaction and provide good drainage. Containers, on the other hand, are perfect for those who don't have much space. Step 6. Water wisely. Water deeply, but less frequently. This encourages the plants to grow deeper roots, making them stronger and more drought-resistant. Step 7. Use organic fertilizers and pest control. Organic fertilizers feed your plants while also enriching the soil. For pest control, opt for organic methods like introducing beneficial insects, using insecticidal soap sprays, or simply picking off pests by hand. Step 8. Practice crop rotation and companion planting. These are great ways to naturally prevent pests and diseases and improve soil health. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your own organic garden. To recap, the key points about organic gardening are 1. Selecting the right location and testing the soil. 1. Preparing the soil with organic matter. 1. Choosing the right plants and planting in beds or containers. 1. Watering wisely and using organic fertilizers and pest control. 1. Practicing crop rotation and companion planting. Remember, organic gardening is not just about growing food. It's about cultivating a healthier and more sustainable environment. It's about understanding the delicate balance of nature and working with it rather than against it. So, the next time you think about gardening, go organic. Your health and the planet will thank you. Ank.